Troubleshooting login issues with Wealthfront Portfolio can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your browser is up to date. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can prevent you from logging in. Next, verify that your login credentials are correct. Double-check your email address and password, and make sure your caps lock is not on. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the Wealthfront login page. If you are using two-factor authentication, ensure that your authentication app is generating the correct code and that you are entering it correctly. If you have recently changed your phone or authentication app, you may need to update your two-factor authentication settings. Additionally, check if Wealthfront is experiencing any technical issues by visiting their social media pages or website for updates. You can also try logging in from a different browser or device to isolate the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Wealthfront support directly for assistance. They will be able to provide you with personalized support and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any login issues with your Wealthfront portfolio. It is also a good practice to keep your login credentials secure and up to date, and to monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity. By taking these precautions, you can help protect your portfolio and ensure that you have uninterrupted access to your account. Wealthfront also provides a range of resources and support options to help you manage your portfolio and resolve any issues that may arise. By taking advantage of these resources, you can get the most out of your Wealthfront account and achieve your financial goals.